So let's move on with the Secret Collection. So Secret Collection, it's actually, this is our holy grail products of Miss O. It gives you, you know, more glowing skin. If your concern is more on the aging of your skin, you wanted to have a glowing skin, you wanted to prolong the aging of your skin is very dull and you wanted it to, you know, look more radiant, you can actually have the Secret Collection. Okay. So first will be the Secret Pearl. This is what we call the Botox in a jar. We call it the Botox in a jar because of one specific ingredient that we have on it. We have acetyl hexapeptide. This is a well-known or a commonly known Botox in a jar ingredient. That's how good this Secret Pearl is. Okay, it's really potent for anti-aging. It can also eliminate or lighten the dark spots on your skin. It can gives you more brightening effect. And it also improves the skin texture of your skin and gives you more glowing and a brightening effect. So it actually has 1,200 milligrams of glutathione on our Secret Pearl. So it's just like you're having a Cinderella drip. That's how good this Secret Pearl is. So all you have to do is to apply 2 to 3 pumps or more onto your skin, but you really need to have moisturizer before. You really need to apply moisturizer before you apply Secret Pearl because Secret Pearl doesn't have any moisturizer on it. So sometimes if your skin is more on a dry side, it actually has a white cast because it doesn't have any moisturizer on it. That's why we advise them before applying Secret Pearl, your skin really need to have a hydration product like a moisturizer that can actually improve the application of your Secret Pearl. Okay. So these are the ingredients of Secret Pearl. It has niacinamide that can actually reduce the fine lines and wrinkles and also helps us diminish the dark spots. 1,200 milligrams of glutathione is also on it, and vitamin C. It also has frankincense, okay? Frankincense is actually a great ingredient when it comes to anti-aging. It is also responsible for inflammation and skin elasticity of our skin. It really improves with this ingredients that we have. We also have adenosine. It's actually boost the collagen of our skin. Okay. If your client or if you are suffering with acne or you have pimples, you can actually skip using Secret Pearl. Okay. So next product will be the Secret Radiance. So this is actually the night cream that I'm talking to earlier. It's actually and that's the reason why you don't really need to apply active moisturizer at night because you already have Secret Radiance. So Secret Radiance, it's actually a pigment correcting night brightening cream. It's also anti-aging and it minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, it can also brighten dark spots. So all you have to do is to apply 3 to 4 pumps during your bedtime. This is going to be the last product that you're going to apply at night. Okay, but you can only use this 5 times a week or those nights that you will not be having mass night. If you're going to have your mass night and you're going to use the Secret Glow and Secret Gold, you can actually skip using Secret Radiance. Okay, this is going to be your normal night cream. Okay, so the key ingredients or the ingredients that we have in Secret Radiance are, one is the red algae extract. It actually helps build more moisture on our skin. It can also reduces wrinkles and dark spots. It's also an anti-inflammatory agent on our skin. Okay, so it also has oligopeptide, which increase the renewal of your skin. You know, if we really need to have skin cellular turnover so that we can actually minimize wrinkles and thinning of the aging of our skin. It can give you more on anti-aging effect with this kind of ingredients that we have. It also has Madonna lily leaf that can brighten your skin and decrease the dark spots, and licorice root extract that actually helps us reduces the production of melanin on our skin. And that's the reason why we have pigmentation, dark spots. It's because of the production of melanin on our skin. So if we can reduce the production of melanin on our skin, we can actually eliminate having dark spots on our skin. Okay. So next will be the Secret Glow. So Secret Glow is actually a collagen brightening mask. It's a white mask that we call. Okay, so Secret Glow can be used twice a week, every Monday or Thursday night, or the night before. If you're gonna have an event, you can actually apply your gold mask the night before your event, so that the following day your skin really goods. Your skin really have a a radiant. You're gonna have a radiant skin. Your skin will look more fresh if you're gonna have a mask night the night before your event. So it actually has a collagen booster. It can gives you more a brightening effect, and you can actually see this immediately. You can actually see the result immediately once you have this kind of mask. So you can apply this. You can actually have this alternatively with Secret Gold, or you can layer Secret Glow and Secret Gold in one night. Okay, you can actually layer them for you to have the best result. So some of the ingredients of it will be the hydrolyzed collagen that can actually smooth some fine lines. It also has glutathione, niacinamide, which is also can reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and alpha-arbutin. Okay, it's an inhibitor of unwanted skin pigmentation. And then the last one would be the Secret Gold. So Secret Gold, it's actually gives you more radiant complexion. It's also a powerful spot correction. And if you are, for example, you have sunburn or you have redness on your skin, you can actually apply Secret Gold. It can actually improve the redness or the sunburn on your skin. It protects your skin from sun damage as well. So you can also use this twice a week, every Monday and Thursday night. So some of the ingredients that we have on Secret Gold, of course, vitamin C as well, glutathione. Another one is the fermented soybean. It's a strong antioxidant skin whitening ingredient. That's why your skin really look more fresh. You're gonna have a radiant skin once you have this 24 karat gold mask. It also has linoleic acid. It is a fatty acid with anti-inflammatory and can give you more moisture and hydration on your skin. Okay.